Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Cargo's channel, and welcome back to another quarantine episode here in New York City. In today's video we are going to be cleaning and conditioning the seats of my CL using the Chemical Guys leather cleaner and leather conditioner on them. I have already started by doing the back bottoms, and they're cleaned and conditioned and put away in my other car. Those were my test areas of the car. But what we're gonna do today and in the next few days, I guess, because this may take me a little bit of time, we're going to be taking the backrest of the back seats and the front seats, and we're going to be putting them, I guess I'm gonna just do this home because I don't want to be staying right here in the middle of the car on the street with people passing by, coughing, sneezing and stuff, you know. We gotta stay safe, and I hope all of you are staying safe, healthy and positive in this time of crisis. Now what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how dirty it is in the back. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but whoever owned this car was a slob and probably had a kid, to be honest, because there are like gummy bears and little how you call this, little toys. But all in all, a lot of dirt and grime. And what I'm gonna do is, after I condition the seats, I'm going to clean up thoroughly this area down here. So now let's try and take these seats off. I'm gonna start with the back seat. This is gonna be the first thing we're gonna take off. After we condition it, we're going to put it in my other car, which is across the street, and then we'll have more space to take the front seats out and bring them upstairs. Let's stop talking and start working. I picked up this Amazon beginner mechanic toolkit set from Amazon, and I'm gonna list it down below. It has all sorts of beginner tools like ratchets and wrenches and sockets, and it's kind of useful at around 50 bucks. I think that's a great thing to begin somebody's tool set, somebody who's trying to get into DIY stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna see if this is gonna help me remove the seats, and if it's enough. Hopefully it is. I figured out that the back seat is not great to remove, so what I'm gonna do is take this front seat out. This is the driver's side, and it's actually the worst for wear out of all of them. So I'm gonna bring this home. I'm gonna restore this just to show you how the products work. Kind of a fail on my side, but that's how it usually works on my channel. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more fails to come. But let's stick to the project now. So to remove the bolts was easy. There are 10mm bolts on the four corners, and then my problem was I disconnected this connector. It just slides out, and then this one has a little like pin you gotta press so you can disconnect it. But my biggest problem is this little vacuum line right here, and I have no way to disconnect it because I need a pick and I don't have one. What I'm gonna try and use is this one key that has something resembling a pick at the end of the corkscrew. So let's see if it actually works. I don't want to break this vacuum line, and it's very fragile, so I don't want to break it. Let's see if it works. First I'm gonna release the air with the little air release right here. It's whatever it is. this did the trick. Very finicky, and be very careful, because if you break this, well, you screwed. Wow, I just realized how dirty the interior is now. This I'm gonna clean before I put the seat back down, but there's no way I'm taking that seat out. This probably weighs like 200 pounds, and I've been carrying it 3 flights up, so you guys can see the detail. I'm gonna detail this seat up in my home. The rest I'm gonna do in the car. I'm just gonna show you the seat upstairs. Let's go up and get cracking at the quarantine detailing stuff that I've undertaken, but I think it's a bit more than I could handle. Alright, so I managed to drag this probably 200-pound seat up in my home, so welcome to my home. Also, if you know how much this seat exactly weighs, you can leave it in the comment section down below. But what we're gonna use now are a few products to clean it. So this is the Chemical Guys leather cleaner, which is safe on seats with perforation like this one, as well as the Chemical Guys leather conditioner. And we're gonna use this Chemical Guys horsehair brush to brush the seat when we apply the cleaner. And finally, the VRP, or the vinyl, rubber and plastic protectant. So we're gonna use this part on the plastic pieces like this, and this right here. I'm gonna have all these products listed below. The leather conditioner and cleaner I bought as a bundle on Amazon. If I find the bundle link, I'm gonna list it in the description. If I don't, I'm just gonna list them as separate products, as well as some microfiber towels, foam applicators, and I'm really gonna use a bit of Windex to clean the plastics before I apply the VRP. Well, alright, let's get cracking. First, we're gonna spray the Chemical Guys leather cleaner onto our horsehair brush, as well as on our seat. And I'm gonna start with the bottom part of the seat first, and go directional, front to back and side to side. Apply more if needed. Now that it's nice and foamy, we're gonna wipe it with a microfiber towel. And we're gonna do the same for the back rest. Now that the leather is freshly cleaned, we're gonna apply a little bit of the leather conditioner on a microfiber applicator pad. And first, we're gonna shake it well, so we mix the nutrients, as they say. And then put a few dabs on the microfiber applicator. Me, myself, I like spreading the product thin on the applicator, so it doesn't go inside the perforation of the seat. Now that it's spread, we can dab a little bit, and section per section spread it onto the seat. This product has a light grapefruit scent, which I actually like about it. One spread was enough for the bottom of the seat, and now I'm going to apply a little bit more for the backrest while we leave the product to dry onto the surface of the seat. Now I'm going to take a microfiber towel and wipe the excess from the conditioner from the seat, just in case there is any left. Mine were kind of dry, so they absorbed most of it. And of course, don't forget the headrest, because I did forget to clean and condition the headrest. Next step we're going to do is use the VRP, the vinyl rubber and plastic, to bring the plastics on the seat to their previous shine. But before that, I'm going to use a little bit of Windex on a paper towel just to give them a little wipe before we do that. Again, shake the products for better consistency and use a different microfiber applicator to apply the VRP. This will complete the restoration and cleaning of my Mercedes-Benz AMG leather seat, and I'm going to continue this same process with the rest of the interior. It's just that I'm not going to bring the other seat up here because it is super heavy and annoying to bring to the flights up. If you like the video and are interested in these products, I'm going to leave links to all of them down in the description below. If you like other quarantine projects like this one, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for a lot more videos to come.